Welcome to Isabel Segunda on the island of Vieques. Today we are taking a property tour of the Paraiso Realty listing called 14 Buena Vista. Aptly named because it's on Buena Vista Street and the number of the house is 14. Pretty simple. It's kind of built into a side of a hill. The street's very steep going up, very steep going down. The old cemetery, you can kind of see in the distance there, the old cemetery that's on the ocean is not too far away. A couple blocks away from Sombrero Viejo bar, and a couple blocks away from El Patio and Mamma Mia's Pizzeria, so pretty close to everything in town. So this is the there is a marquesina here. There is a garage. You got the Rejas, enough room to park a car, keep it safe while you're not here. There is 1 meter. You see the electric meter there. There is 1 meter for the house, something to keep in mind. And what we'll do is we'll come in on the main floor here. There is a little balcony, little gate, little patio, tiled patio right here. This right here is a street that comes up over the hill from the gas station, so that, you know, kind of refer to the expressway that comes from the gas station into Isabel Segunda. So we're right on that corner. So here we are. We come right into what is the living room, kitchen area, a little entertaining space for everybody. We'll get into that a little further, but right here off to the left, we have our first of 4 bedrooms. It's currently set up with a couple of bunk beds. Over here's the electrical box. This is actually the corner of the property, corner of the house where the electricity comes in. So the meters are on the side of that wall. Does have an air conditioner, does have the tile flooring, and the seat's about a 7-foot ceiling. There's a little dining table, some windows that go back out off to the street. And as we come through here, there's the second bedroom. This one looks like it has maybe a full or a queen bed, air conditioner, 3 windows, all with the Miami blinds and Rejas, all metal, not glass. And it's got space for a closet. That's bedroom number 2. Back here is bedroom number 3, a little bit larger. Has windows, very odd shape. This is, look, there's a little nook in the corner there. You can see the layout of the floor. And you come back the other way, closet over by the door. Not exactly rectangular, it's kind of like half of a pentagon. So there you've got a couple of windows on 3 sides of the room. You've got the air conditioning unit up there, decent sized room. And then back out to the living room, and here in the corner we have the full bathroom. Now there's no electricity on the house right now, so this here is a shower. Glass door, glass enclosure. Don't know how that's going to come out in the video. Pedestal sink, toilet. Everything in here is tiled. Both the walls and the floor have tiling. So back out into the living room area. Here is the catch with this property. This right here we're staring at, underneath the stairs of the 2nd floor, that is currently the kitchen. Now, the current owner has basically been using this as a property to come visit on the weekends from San Juan. So if someone's coming here for a weekend, most likely they're going to wake up, make some coffee, they're going to go to the beach, take the cooler, have lunch at the beach, come home, shower, and then head out to eat. So the use of a full kitchen is in that situation not ideal, and it's the reason that these folks don't have it. If you want to live here full time, turn this into a short-term rental or a long-term rental, you're most likely going to want to put in a more proper full kitchen. And for me, I think the best scenario is up here. I'll take you upstairs now. We're going up the 2nd floor. There's a room right here that I think would be ideal for a kitchen. 2nd floor, there's a balcony outside. There's a bedroom over here in the corner I'll show you, but I think this is the space if you're gonna do a proper kitchen. This would be it. You can do the cooking in here and then eat outside on the patio, which is actually covered. So that's my solution for a full kitchen. So those are the stairs we just came up. Here on the second floor, and back here is a proper bedroom. Looks like a full-size king bed. There's an air conditioning unit in the wall. A couple of windows that's facing south. That's looking east, and that's looking northeast. So good size bedroom, room for a closet. Takes you back out to that room we just came through. And then attached here is an ensuite bathroom. So right here, little closet space. And here you have the tiled floor, sink, toilet. And this is very similar to the shower that was downstairs when I explained the glass doors, glass enclosure. It's almost identical to the one downstairs. And actually this tile is also identical, so you can see the detail work on the tile. It's like starfish and shells, very appropriate from here in the Caribbean, near the beach. And then more of an off-white tile throughout the rest of it. So all the walls are tiled, and the floor is tiled, and the ceiling is concrete. So that's the fourth bedroom, and that is the second bathroom. There is kind of a half bath upstairs. I'll show you in a second. Again, this is the room I think would be ideal for someone who wants to put a full kitchen in here. Let me show you from the other side. There's the stairs where we came up. Unless you can figure out somehow to do a full kitchen downstairs, maybe turn this into a entertainment media living room. I think this would be a good option for a kitchen. There's also an option for upstairs. I'll show you that in a second. So this, from this room, we do go out to what's kind of our first balcony. Good size area. Big deck. There's a wood roof here with concrete posts. This actually all survived Maria, if you're wondering how sturdy it is. What's nice here that we haven't seen yet is as we get upstairs, I'll show you that in a second, we start to see the views of the ocean. So from here I can see mainland Puerto Rico, I can see the condo towers in Fajardo, I can see the, looks like the Cayo Blanco, little key out there. And this is overlooking Isabel Segunda. Over there's the road that comes up from the gas station, some of the neighboring houses. So there is a big deck area that if you did turn that room there into your kitchen, this could become an outdoor dining area that is protected by a wood roof. Over here in the corner there is a sink. This would probably be appropriate. You come back from the beach or come back from fishing and you clean some fish and you do it all outdoors. This would be a space to do that. And then from here also, there's steps down. This is a patio that is over the garage. And from here you can go down, just like there is a backyard here, small triangular backyard. I don't know how much you're going to use it, but it is something that if you need storage or outdoor space, potted garden or something, you do that. So there's a second floor balcony. The view in the background is the ocean. From here, we actually go up another floor. So this is the third floor, only accessible by this stairwell. And there's a whole nother deck here. And the same thing here, you've got wooden roof covering this area. Again, this all survived Maria, and I think particularly because it was strapped down. So that certainly helps. And up here we get the best views from the property. Actually good timing, because you can actually see the ferry boat leaving. So it shows you the views that we have here. The ferry boat, I can actually see Palomino Island off of Fajardo. I can see Fajardo, the condo towers there, and I can actually see Ayunque from here. So this is where your sunset views from here are going to be amazing. Sitting in a hammock, entertaining up here. This is going to be some of the best views in Isabel Segunda. and lots of deck space. Just kind of pan around here. Over there's the stairs that we came up. There is actually, as I mentioned, kind of a half bath in the back here. There's a sink, a toilet, room for another sink there. So if you are entertaining up here, you've got another facility to use. And if you want to be adventurous, this could be perhaps where you put the kitchen entertainment space. If done properly, it could be very interesting to dine and entertain up here. Vacation properties, often if you have the vacation or the entertaining space on the top floor, that's where people are going to be spending most of their time. I know a lot of folks like to put their master bedrooms and en-suites on the top floor, but the reality is you're going to be sleeping there, it's going to be dark, and you're not going to be maximizing the opportunity to use it. Whereas this, everybody could be up here during the day, during sunset, even into the night, and take advantage of the views from here throughout the day. So it's another option, interesting option. And then also from here, let me see if I can see it. Yeah, so they're also, I don't know if it's going to come through the video because of the wide angle lens, but you can see the fort that overlooks Isabel Segunda. It's not particularly highlighted with this property. There's a big avocado tree back here. It's right there, it's kind of blocking the view. But you could trim right through those trees. There would be a great view of the fort. Many of these trees are in your backyard. Also, same thing here. If you were to trim up, I can see through this tree, I can see the lighthouse in Isabel Segunda. I can see the mayor's office. So there's some opportunities to, can't see Culebra. But there are some opportunities to kind of trim the trees and open up your view. So this is 14 Buena Vista, Isabel Segunda. It's a Paraiso Realty listing. So if you want more information on this, please visit our website, www.paraisorealtypr.com. You can contact us there with any questions, or if you want any showings or anything else. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more of them, please hit subscribe, hit like, share it with anyone that you think might enjoy it as well. And while the ferry takes off for mainland Puerto Rico, we'll say goodbye and see you in our next video.